Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about this hair look here. It's a sleek bun, my version of a sleek bun. It's really simple and easy with a twist and, you know, just a regular sleek look. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get on to this video. All right, let's go guys. So I'm actually dealing with third day hair. Sometimes I can do like other hairstyles with my hair, sometimes I can't. Just depends on how my hair is. So what you're gonna do is spray your hair with water. And I just recently purchased this spray bottle and I love this spray bottle rather than other spray bottles. I got this from Sally's and I just really like it because it's a longer spray than a regular spray. But once you're done refreshing your hair with the spray, you want to go ahead and massage the water in. And then you're going to part your hair. I'm parting my hair on the left because that's where I wear my parts. And if you guys are wondering why I keep looking right, that's because I have a big mirror on my right. I don't have a mirror in front of the camera, so that's why I keep looking that way. So anyways, getting back to the hair. Obviously, you guys can see I'm having a hard time parting my hair. My hair is like stuck together. What you want to do is make sure your part is straight. Now, I feel like my part was crooked, and later in the video I go ahead and fix my part because I didn't feel like it was straight enough. Now, once you go ahead and part your hair, what I like to do is grab my comb and pretty much just comb the top part of my hair down. I don't like when you do like that sleek bun that you can feel the bumps in your hair. I just hate that feeling, so I just go ahead and comb everything out and make sure everything is smooth. I don't know, I'm just like OCD about that. So once you're done combing everything down, you want to grab your gel, whichever gel that you're going to use, and you want to put it all over your hair. And I know you guys caught me smelling my gel. I always do that. Whatever hair product, I'm like smelling it. Now, when it comes to how much gel you put in your hair, that's just up to you. I like to put enough where my hair is not frizzing up. So once I put the gel, I go ahead and comb my hair. Now, you want to make sure you comb down your gel because you want to make sure your hair is smooth. So you pretty much just repeat the process of like putting more gel and combing your hair down and making sure you put gel in the right places so it doesn't frizz up. So once you're done combing, you want to take a brush and smooth everything down. And sometimes behind your ear, it can get a little bumpy, so I just take out the hair again and then I smooth it down with a brush. And then after that, I go ahead and tuck the hair behind my ear because sometimes it can get a little irritating, the bumpiness back there. So yeah, that's just what I do. So then you want to take your comb and you want to part downwards like so, and then we're just going to work with this section of the hair and then we're just going to start twisting it. And of course you want to brush out your hair, make sure there's no like tangles or anything like that, which is what I'm doing. And then you start twisting, which is what I'm doing. You could do a braid, it's up to you on what you want to do for your hair, but I just chose to do a twist. And make sure to tie the back of your hair because I noticed when I was twisting, I was grabbing some of the hair from the back and it was like throwing me off. So yeah, make sure you tie your hair back. So I didn't bother twisting my hair to the end because I'm going to put my hair in a bun anyway, so it didn't really matter. And I don't know what I'm doing here. So after working that twist, you're going to have to do your hair again, like doing the combing and putting more gel on your hair just to make sure that your hair is smooth and down because you don't want to just go ahead and put your hair up and you have all the bumps and all that frizz still on your hair. You guys, I am like a perfectionist when it comes to my hair like this. It has to be smooth, like no, it can't have no mess ups, nothing. It has to be perfect. So then you grab your hair tie and you're about to get ready to put your hair in a bun. But you know me, I have to grab my brush and make sure everything is smooth. And then you guys, I noticed there is a little stick up right there, right where the twist is. So I went ahead and just tucked it in. If you guys have that problem, just tuck it in. And then you have no more stick up. So we're back to brushing our hair and making sure it's smooth. So you go ahead and do that. And then we're going to put our hair in a bun. So I thought I was going to do a bun again, but nope. I'm gonna grab my comb and make sure everything is smooth. If you guys want it perfect, this actually isn't an easy process. It takes hard work. Okay, now I'm finally satisfied and we can go ahead and do our bun. And if you guys have short hair, this is so easy for you guys to put your hair in a bun, but for me, I have to keep going and doing my little twist thing that I do, and then I make my bun. Now, when it comes to the end of my bun, I like to leave a little hair out, and then I just tuck the hair in if I don't like it, how it looks, but I like to give that messy look. And yeah, that's pretty much it on the bun. And if you want to do that extra step and go ahead and do your baby hairs, you can do that too, and that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make this hairstyle. I'm just following it up with more gel and of course a brush to smooth everything out. But yeah, if you're satisfied with how your hair looks, that's pretty much it. And then once you're done, you can pop on some hoop earrings or any type of earrings, and then you're pretty much completed the look, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys. My son is here. He's in his little... Are you smiling? Are you pooping? What are you doing? Does he look like me? Does he look like me?